Hey, guess what? It's finally here. Let's get it open. So what you see before me here is a 3-burner stainless steel tabletop propane gas griddle made from Tacklife. It comes with a 23-inch cooking surface. The cooking panel is made of a 3mm thick steel plate. The bottom of the cooking panel has additional steel bars to ensure that the panel will not warp when heated. And it comes with a built-in grease box, which is easy to clean. And as we move to the other side, you can see a built-in gas line for a 20-pound gas tank. It also comes with this little match holder, just in case you can't get your burner started. This is a cool feature so you don't burn your hands. Alright, so what gave me the idea of buying a top griddle is simply because it's getting warmer and I wanted to cook outside. You know, electrical stove nowadays is just not cutting it. The heat keeps fluctuating and you can never keep a consistent heat, especially dealing with the elements of outside when the winds are blowing and stuff like that. It's kind of hard to cook your food and keep it at the right temperature. So therefore, I got me one of these. It's big enough. It's not 2 burners. I got 3, so it's not too small and not too big. I could cook outside and it's portable, you know, so why not? And I figured that if I could cook it on top of this, it'd be a whole lot lesser pans and pots and stuff that I had to clean afterwards. I just simply clean up after myself, cover it up, call it a day, you know. But yeah, I got this from Walmart. I believe it was $80 at the time when I purchased it online. I'm giving this a try, and that's it. Next up, we're just gonna season this pan and see how it goes. What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to season your flat top griddle. Let's go. Here are things you would need: tongs, scraper, napkin, and a high temperature oil, such as grapeseed oil. All right, so first thing you want to do is clean your grill. All right, next we're gonna want to turn on the heat to high, and we're gonna let that go till it's gonna evaporate all that water and make this surface very, very hot. All right, so as you're waiting for your griddle to get hot, so what you're looking for is essentially a bluish color. I don't know if you could see it from here, but from my angle, I'm gonna show you. Let's see. You see how it's kind of blue right there? Like right here. That's what you want. But you want it throughout the whole griddle. See, start in the middle. You gotta be patient. And as soon as the majority of it turns blue, then we'll add the oil. All right, guys, this is the color you're looking for. You see how that's blue right there? That's what you want. See, this part's not quite blue yet, but this part is right here. So you're trying to get it all blue. All right, so we're gonna put the oil down. We're gonna evenly distribute it and then spread it with the napkin and tongs. Like so. See all that smoke? We're gonna let all that smoke out completely. Make sure you get everything, every corner. Including the outsides. And then just let all that smoke burn off and then repeat the process. There you go. There's your seasoned griddle once it's all done. You should have a nice dark color like this. You can coat it as many times as you want. I did 4 to 5 coats. That's it. I'll give you an update on how this performs in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.